Today, I have another mod for the Camaro SS. As you can see, we have a 1LE spoiler that we're going to be putting on the Camaro today. I did have a few dings, so me and Tyler yesterday sanded it down, filled in some holes, and repainted it black. Turned out really good.
A little wider shot on this.
You got 3 spots where you have to remove some screws. So you just simply got to take off these little rubber guys. And I'll show you where the screws are, take those out. Got to remove this insert right here to get to the middle section. You can drill. It already has the holes for the spoiler on the trunk. But we're going to try to not drill holes. So we're going to cut the remaining studs off and use some 3M around the bottom. Hopefully that'll work. So let's put this on. So now when you have the bolts removed, you pretty much just gotta slowly peel it up and the adhesive should let go. And there's the stock spoiler gone. Now let's put the new one on. Put the spoiler off. Just kind of play around and rub the old adhesive off. Use a little detail spray to clean it up. LE spoiler. It's meant for a 1LE deck lid. So currently we're gonna have to do some fabrication to the studs on the actual spoiler itself. 2 of the studs located here and then also on the other side fit into the factory holes. The other remaining 7 are just gonna have to get cut off, and then we're gonna 3M the whole thing, and then this will have 2 bolts on either side holding it down, so it should be good. The side pieces are just 3M, so should definitely be able to put on. We do have a slight problem of there's a hole here from the old spoiler that doesn't get covered, so we're gonna find a nice rubber grommet to go there, and then eventually it'll get covered up. But for now it'll definitely look good, but here's a little idea of what it's gonna look like. So we got rid of all the excess studs that we don't need, and we just have the 2 that line up in these holes. Fits pretty good. So now we're just gonna lift it up, put some 3M tape on it, and on the side pieces, and it should be all good.
Not good. You can always take it off. Oh, this is tape.
Tape these. So we got the 1LE spoiler on. Looks really cool. It's really aggressive looking. Definitely adds a little flair to the back end. Looks really good. Not too hard of an install. Subscribe for more Camaro modifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Oh no. Oh no. Let me lower it. Hold on.
Got it.